All right. Well, welcome everyone and good afternoon. Um, I'm Gina Jan and I wanted to welcome to you this is the second time that we're doing this iNaturalist Home Explorers training. And it was made possible by our presenting partner, ecochallenge.org. And our presenter is Michael Dawson, the Conservation Education Liaison at the St. Louis Zoo. So thanks for joining us. And after a quick word from our Zoom host, Lacey Cagle, Director of Learning with ecochallenge.org, Michael will walk us through the wonders of citizen science and iNaturalist. And at any time during the presentation, please feel free to type in your questions in the Q&A chat function that's down at the bottom of your screen. Also, you can leave us comments in the other chat box as well. And what we'll do is once Michael has finished his presentation, we will go through the questions from the Q&A chat and direct those to Michael. So thanks again, and take it away, Lacey.
Thanks, Gina. We're really glad to be able to host this. And for those of you who are joining for the first time, the first webinar went spectacularly. It was really great. And so I'm glad that we get to do this again with Michael, basically because the recording didn't work very well, but it also gave everyone who didn't get to come for the first webinar an opportunity to get to ask Michael questions as he goes through this process. So I just wanted to let you all know that we have an Earth Day Eco Challenge that is happening right now. It started on April 1st and it goes through April 30th. And it's an online virtual event where you can decide what actions you want to take that are better for yourself, better for the planet, better for your community, and actually check in each day, every day of the challenge, to be able to say if you're completing those actions, to see your impact add up in real time, and to see the impact of your entire team and everyone the thousands of people who are involved in the Eco Challenge around the world. And so we have a St. Louis Goes Green team that is put together by the USGBC Missouri Gateway chapter and 1STL and Earth Day 365. And I think that would be it. Is there another organization participating too? I think it might just be those three. But anyway, we have like 80 something people on the team. We're actually number 12 of 700 and something different teams who are participating. And it's really cool to be able to take action, see your impact add up in real time, and share resources and encouragement with each other. So we recommend, if you are not on that team, to come join us at Earth Day Eco Challenge. And our team name is, sorry, I'm going to go through all these, is St. Louis Goes Green with an exclamation point, exactly like that. So please come join us for that team, or if your organization has their own team, or if you still want to start a team, you can. But it's a great way to be able to do stuff when most of our in-person events have been canceled for Earth Day. It's still a great way to celebrate and also observe and take action for the Earth. So just that little plug, and then I will turn it over to Michael. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen and Michael can share his.
All righty. Well, thank you all, and I'll jump right in here. So give me 1 second here. Can everybody hear me? Thumbs up or? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So I'm going to jump in here. There we go. All right. So I'm going to go through a little bit. This will be kind of an introduction to iNaturalist. And iNaturalist is a pretty neat program. We'll go through it, and there's other things you could utilize the program for. And there's different things you can do on the program, but this will be more of an introduction, at least how to get started, and what you would need to know to upload observations. So a little bit about who I am. I do work at the St. Louis Zoo, and I've had the pretty neat opportunity to have a very interesting job. I am an educator at the St. Louis Zoo. Typically, I work with different people in the animal division department and work on a lot of different conservation projects, but I'm also the Frog Watch chapter coordinator. So I run one of the citizen science projects out of the zoo where we train individuals to go out and monitor sites and look at and kind of get at a health of the populations of frogs and toads around the St. Louis region. And one of those things I've come across was iNaturalist was a neat platform that was really neat when I first found it. It came out about 2008. I found it, I think, around 2010 and started adding observations. And why it's kind of neat, it was actually a grad student project out of UC Berkeley, where there was about 3 students working on it as a master's project. And it evolved from that into a really neat platform. And now the California Academy of Science has picked up as one of the sponsors. And it's really turned into something, I think, pretty unique. But it is a citizen science platform. And so when you look at it, there's a lot of neat parts to it. There's a lot of social aspects to it. Obviously, there's a lot of data collection.